Honestly, I'm not too sure why I'm even about to do this, but pain is beauty. Here we go, here we go.
When do I look at the camera? When do I look? Hi, what a surprise that you're here. Look at my face. I can't wait to show you more of my face.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alisha Brittany, and if you are a new Brit Brat, welcome. And if you are a returning Brit Brat, it's so good to see you again. I am going to be doing something that I am not too sure about. I'm a little eerie about it. I'm going to be giving myself a wax. So this is technically like self-care to the extreme. I'm nervous, I'm sweating. It's really hot in here. I'm like psyching myself out. I mean, even though I'm someone who feels like they have a high threshold for pain, I think the most pain that I've self-inflicted had to be getting a tattoo on my back over the summer, and I kind of anticipated that pain, but this I'm a little nervous about. I have never gotten a wax before. I have never ever gone to a wax center and gotten waxed by a esthetician or anything of the sort, so I am super nervous. The only wax that has ever touched my body is my eyebrow lady, and that's literally like 2 seconds of a lampshake and the pain is gone. I'm super excited though to share this with you guys because I don't know, I just think it would be cool to like see my reaction and stuff like that. So if you want to see that and you want to see me put myself through pain, because pain is beauty, and you know, pain is beauty. If you want to see me do this, just make sure to stay tuned watching. So the wax that I got today was from Amazon, and it's from the brand called NADS. Now this is a sugar wax. I did see that they had other waxes. They had like the pots that you can get. You like melt the wax beads, and you know, honestly, I don't have enough room for that. So I was like, you know what? I just want a kit that I can use. If I like it, I can store it, and if I don't want it, I can just toss it in the trash. This is a natural sugar wax, and I heard that it is better for you, or it's like easier on your skin. So I figured as a first time waxer, or as a first time waxer, it would be better for me. So it says that this is the no heat natural way to silky, smooth, free hair, and it is 100% vegan. And yeah, let's see what we got in here. So I was so pressed and I had to open the box before I did this video, but it's cool, whatever. So shout out to my Instagram. If you're following me on Instagram, you already see me open this and unbox it. So the first thing that they give you is the sugar wax, and oh god, it's kind of hard to open. Oh, I think I shook the box up way too much. Whatever. Damn, this is gonna be so messy. Oh my god, alright. So what I have here is, I'm like regretting it. I can just feel the regret. I don't want to open it too much because, no, hold on. Pause, let me put something on the floor so that I don't get this all over the carpet, because I will be highly upset. Alright, I'm back. So it comes with the sugar wax. It doesn't smell like anything, so okay. It comes with the sugar wax. It also comes with so not a pro at this, I'm such an amateur. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5. Ciao. It comes with 5 popsicle sticks. I think these are like tongue depressors, but I guess these are what you apply the wax with. It comes with a skinny one, so I'm guessing that this is the wax stirrer. It also comes with a NADS pre-wax cleansing soap, and I think I'm supposed to use this before I get started, but we're gonna see. Oh, actually I lied, it comes with 6. And oh, it comes with the wax strips. Let's see what these look like. I'm so nervous, you guys. Like, I don't even know what to expect. I don't know how the pain is gonna be. Okay, cool, so it's already pre-cut for you. I don't grow that much hair into my armpit. I don't know why. I never have. My legs, actually, I don't shave my legs either, and they're not the hairiest, but you can see the hair because I'm pretty light skinned, I guess you could say. Especially when I don't have a tan in the summer, you can see I just kind of like use that glob of like lotion and just put the hairs all down one way. But yeah, I'm gonna try to shave here and possibly here. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of my armpit. I hope you can see it. It is I don't know. See, I don't know what this is. Like I've had this for a long time and I don't know what it is. I'm gonna consider it a birthmark, but whatever. I'm going to start using the soap. If you can see my little waxing area over here, you would believe I'm an esthetician. So I'm gonna go ahead and use soap. Let's see. Ooh, this soap smells really good. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like Castile soap. I don't know if, has anyone ever had surgery and like they make you wash in a certain soap before the surgery so you're like sterile or something like that? That's what this smells like. Don't ask why I know that. I just do. I just know it. In the mirror, you guys, so bear with me. As you can see, the soaps. Okay, I feel like you can see my hair a little bit more. My hair is growing down, so I feel like you can see my hair a little bit more now. Again, it's not much. The quarantine fun. I would love to be able to do this more often. Like I would love to be able to like do this all the time and, you know, save my butt, because that Amazon, that case was actually only like a couple dollars. It wasn't that expensive. Hold on, let me say a prayer real quick. Hold on. All right, y'all. Here we go. In the wax. Oh god, oh god, oh god. So my hair goes down. Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Ah. I'm totally doing this wrong. I'm totally doing this wrong. I'm totally doing this wrong. It's like sticking. Holy shit. That freaking hurts. I'm totally making a freaking mess. Jesus Christ. Okay. So that application was so messy. I don't know what the hell I just did wrong, but oh god. What am I doing? It's gonna be fine. 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 Only me. I would be worried about my ponytail at a time like this. Oh shoot! It's stuck to my dress. Ciao. Try a little bit more. Right. I'm so regretting this right now. Oh my god! I'm so regretting this right now. Oh god. Oh god. Shit. Okay, wait. I think I didn't store this right or something, cause like, hold on a second. Freak, I wanna cry. Oh. Okay, here we go. No, I think it's this way. Here we go. Oh. That wasn't that bad. Oh wow. Okay, proud of myself. I'm real proud. So try again. I have some left over, so I'm gonna do it again. So I guess I didn't do too bad on the application. I'm excited. I'm so excited. It is kind of hard, but I guess it's because it is a sugar wax. It's not like, I don't know, like I thought this would be like, I don't know, y'all. I thought the consistency, child. I don't know. I just thought the consistency, bitch. I don't know. I just thought the consistency was gonna be a little bit more like easier to apply. Okay. Just immediately put the strip on. Oh baby! If this works, y'all, I'm gonna, oh my god. If this is like my new routine, oh, it's about to be the black wax center up in here, chat. Okay, here we go. Woo. Wow, that's so crazy, you guys. I don't know if you can see that. That's so crazy. Wow, I didn't think I honestly doubted myself. Like, I didn't think that I could do it. I'm just gonna use some baby wipes and I'm going to just like take the sticky consistency off of my arm. Now, do I have some stragglies left behind? I do. And I kind of want to try it again, but I don't know. Like, I don't know how much is too much. Like, does that make sense? Like, I don't know how much is too much. Wow. Ooh. So the thing, I think I need more. Hold on. Oh God. So it just hurts, like applying the sugar wax. Ooh, it does hurt because I feel it like pulling automatically. Like, does that make sense? Like, okay, wait. Okay, here we go. Oh, so this one wasn't that bad. Let's see. Okay, 3 to 4 times. I'm not even following the directions at this point. I'm really trying my best, y'all. Oh God, I know it's gonna hurt. I know it's gonna hurt. Fuck. I know it's gonna hurt. Okay, it doesn't hurt that bad, but still. It's just like it really feels like, okay, honestly, the pain level is like ripping off a band-aid, but at the same time, like, it still hurts. Like, okay. You got this. It's 2 seconds. You're a badass bitch. You got this. You wanna look cute? You wanna have cute armpits? You got this. All right, here we go. Shh. Nah. Okay. Fuck. Why the hell did I even want to do this? Like, this would be a good idea for a video. Okay, wow. Ooh, this one stings a little bit. On the left side of my arm. This is gonna be a breeze. Okay. Chill. Alright. Okay, here you go, guys. Alright, here we go. I don't even know how this video is gonna turn out, but here we go. Okay, here we go. They said 3 to 4 times. I'm not even counting, I'm just kind of, whenever I get the courage to do it, I kind of just yank it off, you know? Alright, here we go. Ooh. Okay, okay, that time it got the rest of the hair. It did. Ooh, I thought it was a pro. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm actually not mad at that, y'all. I'm not upset about that at all. All right, I have a wipe, just a baby wipe, and I'm just getting it off right here. Congrats. That's pretty much it for today's video. What would I give the NADS? I think I would give the NADS 8 out of 10, and I'm only taking a star away because the wax, I feel like I don't know, I just feel like the consistency of the wax is not as smooth as it is. So it's like I was getting pain upon entry, like as I was putting it on the surface, and then I was getting another dose of pain as I was ripping it off. So that's the only thing, and that could be because it's not being stored in the right temperature. You know, I didn't really read the directions too much as to what temperature I was supposed to store it at. But as far as the results, I would give it a 10 out of 10. I mean, I am super pleased with how it came out. One day I'm gonna try my legs. I don't want to start shaving my legs because I don't want them to grow back like Chewbacca. As far as the kitty area is concerned, I just want y'all to know the results came out good. Of course, I'm not going to show you guys the results, but the results came out great. I'm actually very happy with it, even though this is my first wax. I'm going to see how the hair grows back, you know, like within, what is it, like 2 to 3 weeks, I guess it would grow back, as opposed to when you shave. So I'm super excited about that, as well as, you know, my armpits. I think they're actually pretty soft and smooth, if I do say myself. If you guys like this video and if you thought it was informative, I just want you guys to do me a favor and share, comment, comment down below if you've ever done this before, what your results were. If you guys thought I was a bunk, like, let me know. I can take it. Just give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. That's it for this channel, Brit Brats. As always, please make sure to share this video with a friend that you think would love a laugh, as well as comment and subscribe. Subscribe. Make sure your notifications are on so that way you can be notified when I post new videos. As always, it's great to see you guys again, and as always, stay blessed. Bye, Brit Brats.